My name's David Watkins. I'm from Treherbert at the top of the Rhondda Valley. My heart condition first started about 20 years ago. I found it out that I needed a triple bypass. Then 20 years later, something else must have worn out, and I found myself filling up with water. The impact on my life was awful when I first had it, because I couldn't do things. I live in a 3-story house. It was difficult to answer the door. It was difficult to get up. You felt as if you didn't want to do anything. I knew that I had to do something about, or hopefully someone would help me do something about this. When my heart failure nurse first introduced me to the Humour app, I was quite excited, to be honest, because you take your records every day and you write down your heart rate, how you feel, your blood pressure, etc., etc. And I really enjoyed using that app every day, because when you had a good reading, it affects you because you think, oh, well, you feel good about it. When I was using the Humour app, I never felt isolated from my heart failure nurse, because the thing was being seen every day was kind of a confirmation that somebody was monitoring my health and my condition. So that was a great thing. Right now, as he searches for wood to touch, I'm feeling great. I'm almost, because I was talking to my wife yesterday, and I said, I don't really want to say this, but I just feel more normal than when I was normal. One of the biggest upsets, personal upsets for me with my heart problem was the fact that I couldn't play drums. After I met my heart failure nurse and was on the medication that she prescribed for me, I found a vast improvement of that, and I found that I could actually go and do something that I've done and loved all my life. Now, that was a massive thing for my soul, my well-being, and I can never thank her, actually. I just can't. I would absolutely recommend using the Humour app for this condition, without question. I'm always skeptical of certain things, and I might have been at this one until I started using it and seeing the value of it. And of course, when it went, it was like losing an old friend, because I'd been using that day by day. I think I would like to have kept the app, because when you have a condition like this, it's all about confidence. It's all about confidence to wake and live. It's simple as that. That's the simplest way you can put it. You just want to be normal as you can, even if you were not as normal as you was yesterday. And the Humour app, monitoring that, gave me that confidence, as I said earlier, to just get up and do what I think I should do for that day. Live, really.